This 2025 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen ROOST 43 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in San Angelo, Texas, 76905 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Angelo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features a DUNE interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.